unsurprisingly for us, when we started tagging the tiger sharks up at Rain Island, we initially thought tigers were a shark associated with the Great Barrier Reef, staying close to the reef. Most of the hits we've had were out in the middle of the coast. Well, what are they doing out there?
There is still much to learn about the tiger shark, and the more we discover, the more questions that are raised. The name tiger shark comes from the dark bands that cross its torso, which gradually fade away as they enter full maturity.
Tiger sharks mature over 3 metres in size, so you're looking probably about 12 to 15 years to get to that kind of size range. And then the number of pups they have depends on the size of the female. So the larger the female gets, the more pups that she can have.
Tiger sharks mate only once every 3 years, and the female has very good reasons to limit its contact with males.
Shark sex is actually very violent. Of course, a male has to insert his sex organ into the female, just to hang on to that, because it hasn't got arms or hands. The only thing he can use is his mouth. So he'll give the female right bites. And so you can tell when a female shark's been mated with recently, she's got a lot of injuries around the pectoral fins or around the jaw. But what happens is that female sharks generally grow a head length larger than males. So when they're having sex, and the male's hanging onto the gills or the pectoral fin, the sex organs are aligned for mating. And also female